The highly anticipated grand opening of the Exchange took place this past weekend. It's the new home to the Niagara Falls Farmers Market, and it will also serve as the hub for arts and culture activities in the city. A VIP opening Friday night was a prelude to Saturday's open house that saw people eager for a closer look.
It's been great. People, again, this has been behind hoarding for a long time. We've talked about the Exchange as a big concept, but today was the first day to really see it. And it's been an open house that we kept it kind of a little bit of everything that we're going to do.
The sheer numbers of people that came today, are these people that are curious, or are these people that you expect will be regulars here?
I hope regulars. I hope that they understand what this place is going to be. There's a lot of new faces here that I hadn't seen at the old market, people that hadn't participated in some of our arts programming. I think there's a whole lot of curiosity. I think, again, the Exchange is a bit of a concept, right? What is it? There's a cafe here, and the market's here sometimes, and there's art studios. And, I think there's a real curiosity as to what that really meant. And until you get in here, you really don't understand it.
With the opening, the arts community in Niagara Falls finally has a place to call home.
I love the site. This is all new to us too. We've just gotten in here a few weeks ago, so we're all learning about the site. I'm looking forward to being a part of the woodworking shop down there. I've got a lot of ideas for using that. So
the arts community is loving this. They really are. They're very excited. Lots of people are interested in taking space here, in also seeing what the artists are going to create. A lot of people love coming through. A lot of people are telling me I'm an artist too, but I'm not. I haven't, but this is exciting me to do stuff. Literally, somebody said, I need to start creating. This is inspiring me. I think that kind of says it all.
The site of the old farmers market was demolished to make way for the new site. The construction forced a move to a temporary outdoor market at the McBain Center. Longtime vendors are happy for a fresh start at the Exchange.
Here it's a new location, and it's indoor, it's heated, and there is no wind to blow our tents, so I believe it's a good opportunity to be here.
Well, it gives people the chance to get out and about, right, and try local stuff, right, as opposed to going to a supermarket or in my case, the LCBO. It gives people the chance to have intimate conversations with us, sample whatever they like, and try something new and different.
Do you see the arts and the market working independently or together?
We're going to try and merge them as best we can. Again, there is a philosophy that is mutually beneficial to both, that provide a liveliness and a collision of people. The principles behind the Exchange are about the 160-kilometer approach, 100-mile, if you're American, and to try and do things local. And what could be more local than the farmers market, who produce things locally, than artists that produce things and make this a unique community and interpret the community in that way. It was hard to figure out at first, but I think it's going to be a beautiful relationship.
Now that the $17 million project has been completed, it's up to citizens to help it gain its footing. Find out more about what's coming up at the Exchange online. In Niagara, you're watching The Source on your TV.